are going to connect the bilge pump. We have the switch. Now, right now you understand the switch. One position is automatic, other position is manual. 3 terminals. Where is coming the power?
In the center.
In the middle one. No? Okay. And we are going to install one LED, one light bulb. Remember that always the light bulb, this is the positive side. And the body, this is negative. You understand? We have a fuse. You have the fuse. You have the flow switch here. And you have the bilge pump here. One cable is negative, the other one is positive. You have one positive bus bar here, and we are going to create another negative bus bar here. And those are the elements I need that you do the wiring. Pay attention. When you have the switch for a typical bilge pump, that switch is coming with the light, the bulb, with the switch, manual and automatic. The switch, 3 positions, you see, 3 positions. And the fuse, look guys, the fuse, the light and the switch. The fuse, the light and the switch. And additionally you have the flow switch with 2 cables. And additionally you have the pump. Alright, I want to see your diagram for the bilge pump. Where is connected the positive wire coming from the positive bus bar? In what point of those elements enter the positive? In the fuse. Lorenzo, the fuse is the number 1. Fuse is number 1. After the fuse, into the switch, in what position?
Middle.
In the middle position of the switch, and also in the line is correct. Alright, what is the next step? Now you have power in the switch. Okay, we are going to activate automatic position, guys. How you activate automatic position? From the automatic terminal,
One to the top.
go into the flow switch, and from the flow switch through the positive of the pump. Nice, no? What about manual position? Manual position goes directly here and here and activate the pump. What about the light? I prefer connect the light here. In manual position, it's activated. That's okay, guys? In this particular case, doesn't matter in which position. At the end, the light is activated. What about this bus bar? This is for this, and this is for this. Don't forget, if you don't have the negative on the light bulb, the light never on. Of course, this one is going to the negative of those batteries. Look. Yeah? Those negative bus bar, all of them should be
Ground.
together. No? All the negative bus bar in the boat internally, all of them are connected together. All of them. Doesn't matter, oh, this one is from the house battery bank. Should be connected. Because all the negatives of the battery banks are together. You remember?
Yeah,
That's the most important part. Guys, in some boats, the owner, the captain, they wanted that you install the bilge pump over there, but they recommend install another additional flow switch a little higher. Why? In case that the bottom one is broken, the second one activate the pump for safety. Okay, suppose that I have another flow switch higher, 12 inches higher. How I connect the other additional flow switch? In parallel, that's correct. How is the parallel connection? No.
That's it. Okay.
You see? Can I connect another one? Yes. Safety. This is the proper way. You need to connect bilge pumps in the future of your career 3 million of times. I have a question. I said, Fausto, today you need install in that Hatteras 3 bilge pumps in the engine room. In parallel or series? Why parallel? If one bilge pump is broken, I have 2. If 2 are broken, I have 1. If you connect the pumps in series, one is broken and you don't have pumps. Guys, you follow me?
Yep.
It's clear? You enjoyed the explanation?